guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video I am going to talk about frizzy hair. So as you guys already know, I do have curly wavy hair. It's not totally curly, it's not totally wavy, it's in between. It's very complicated, and I have color treated my hair and also keratin treated my hair. So my hair is very rough, frizzy and very dry. Okay, so generally wavy and curly hair does have frizz and also roughness and dryness. So as you guys already know, I did a keratin treatment last year and I totally ruined my hair. So I went for discounted keratin treatment and I was like, yay, so happy, discount, because keratin treatments are generally very expensive. And my hair length, oh my god, फिर भी मैंने काट दिया है इस साल. मेरा इससे भी बहुत बड़ा लेंथ था हेयर का. Whatever. So I went for 3,500, something around that, and I did it from Lake Town Pony Up Salon. So they checked my hair and suggested me to go for keratin, and I was like, okay, you know what, let's go for keratin. And they said it will stay around 3 to 3.5 months. Okay, so I was like, okay, and they also suggested not to wash your hair regularly so that it doesn't wash off. So keratin is something which stays on your hair, and if you wash it regularly, it will just wash it off very quickly, and you will get your normal hair only. There won't be any difference after it has washed off. So they suggested me to use certain shampoos and conditioners, and I was like, फिर खर्चा, चलो ठीक है कर लेते हैं. First 1 month I didn't, and then second month I did start using what they suggested. So my keratin stayed for 2.5 months, and then it was like normal jharu, like frizzy, then dry, rough hair, and I had to straight it or I had to curl it or something like that. And because I had my color at the end, and it was looking really bad, you guys. And because I used to not wash my hair regularly, I used to wash once or twice, hardly twice a week, you guys. Yes, and I totally ruined my hair. Please don't do that. I still regret not washing my hair. I used to think that ज़्यादा वॉश करूँगी तो keratin चला जाएगा, इससे अच्छा keratin बचा के रखूँ, बहुत दिन रहेगा. But that time I just did worse to my hair, and I got dandruff, and that dandruff is so bad. It causes hair fall, itchiness, and yeah, it smells as well. Keratin definitely tamed down all the frizziness. It also made my hair super soft and yeah, manageable as well, and it was looking very nicely straight, which I really wanted, with that simple very light waves. And I went for the cheap discounted keratin, which is not the good idea. Keratin is expensive, and you should definitely go for the best one because it's about your hair. So yeah, that is it. I think I have covered all the points why I don't like keratin and why I won't recommend this to you. So as I have really frizzy, dry and rough hair, I was searching for something which is not expensive but it will work. I searched a lot, and then I came to know a jojoba oil or jojoba oil, whatever you say, that is great for frizziness, that is great for dry and rough hair. So I went and bought this Satt Naturals jojoba oil or jojoba oil, and this is the pure cold pressed oil, you guys, and I have been using it from a month, and oh my god, this actually works, and I am so very impressed. Now this definitely doesn't straightens my hair. Of course, it's not meant to straighten your hair, but it is meant to tame down the frizziness and also the dryness, and it will make your hair super soft and smooth. So let me just talk about this product because I have been using it directly on my hair. So this is pure and natural. This is good for hair and skin. Yes, you can definitely use this for your skin and hair both, and this is for all hair types, and this is great for massages as well. So let me just go through all the details. It has mentioned this is a chemical free oil. It has no color, no parabens, no fragrance, and no mineral oil, as well as no sulfates. This one retailed for rupees 950 rupees, and you get 200 ml product. I am going to talk about the product itself because yes, it has worked for me and I will definitely recommend this one to you. So this is an 100% pure jojoba oil. This oil is a rich source of vitamin E, omega 3, 6 and 9 fatty acids, all of which have their own antioxidant, antiseptic and anti-inflammatory effects on the body. This is great to help fight fungal infections. It is great for sun exposures and rashes, and it is also great for makeup remover. Yes, you can definitely take a lot of this and just apply this on your face. So if you have dry skin, you can definitely try this one out for your makeup remover as well. Definitely going to give you guys details on your skin, hair and massage. So for your skin, of course, you can use this as your makeup remover. You can take one pump of this and massage it on your face and just wash it off with a face wash. That will help to remove all the makeup. Second, you can use this. Take 1 or 2 drops of this and apply it with a moisturizer or a serum on your face. Now these are the 2 ways I will recommend if you have dry skin. Now coming to the hair thing, I have used this in 4 ways. First one, you can definitely go ahead and apply a lot of it and massage it on your scalp, okay? So that way it works amazingly. Second is, you can also mix this with other oils such as almond oil, castor oil, olive oil, whatever you prefer. You can mix both of them together and massage it on your scalp. You can apply this on your hair length and leave it for some time. You can leave it overnight as well. And just like that, you can also use this with your shampoo and conditioner. You can take a coin size amount of shampoo, take 2 drops of this and shampoo your hair, and same goes for the conditioner. Now, the third one is my favorite. I like to take a lot of this oil on my hand, on my palm. I like to just warm it up and apply this on my hair length. I like to just dip my hair into this oil and keep it for at least 1 hour, and then shampoo your hair, and you will get that soft, very soft frizz free hair, and I just love it, you guys. You can definitely see my hair feels very soft and very smooth as well. There is no frizziness, and I've just washed my hair today because I have used the hair dryer. That is why my hair is straight. Otherwise my hair becomes very soft and curly. Now coming to the 4th point and the last point, I like to use it as a serum. So after I have used my shampoo and conditioner, so I towel dry my hair, and when my hair is 80 to 85% wet, then I like to take 1 drop for each section. So I separate my hair in 2 sections and I take 2 drops for both the section, okay? And I just apply this all over my hair and just comb it and let it air dry, or I use a hair dryer whenever I need that. Whenever I don't have time, I use a hair dryer, you guys. So in that way it also makes your hair super soft. It definitely controls all the frizziness, and it is also controlling the dryness. As you can see the shine because of the hair oil. But again, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if you find there is a little bit of frizziness and there is roughness and there is a little bit of baby hairs coming, so what you can do is take a spray bottle or just take a little bit of water on your hand and just go through your hair, okay? Just wet it a little bit and then again apply this as a serum, and you will get that amazing looking hair, you guys. So I really like this, you guys. You can definitely try this one out because it definitely repairs damaged, rough and dry hair, and it also acts as a natural serum for your hair and for your skin. Now for massage, you can definitely go ahead and use this directly on your body, or you can mix with other oils as well. And you can massage your hand, your body, your leg, whatever you feel like. and yeah, that is it. I really like it. You can definitely try this one out. I am going to mention their link down in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. So guys, that is it for today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up if this video was helpful for you guys, and yes, let me know if you have ever tried a jojoba oil or jojoba oil, or if you have ever tried keratin treatment as well. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.